Hello, bird lovers and curious minds. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the world of birds with 30 incredible facts that will wow you. From their mind-boggling abilities to their quirky behaviors, let's dive into some feathered fun. Did you know that birds are the modern-day descendants of dinosaurs? That's right, our feathered friends are living dinosaurs, evolving from creatures like the velociraptor. Their feathered limbs and avian features link directly to these ancient giants. Birds like the Archaeopteryx are considered the missing link between dinosaurs and modern birds. How cool is that? Meet the peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on Earth. During a stoop dive, it reaches speeds of over 240 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. In World War II, the peregrine falcon was so revered for its speed that it was nicknamed the Spitfire of the bird world. Ever seen a bird hover like a tiny helicopter? The hummingbird can stay perfectly still in mid-air while sipping nectar. Its wings beat up to 80 times per second. A hummingbird's heart can beat up to 1,200 times per minute. That's like a tiny supercharger in the bird world. The lyrebird is the ultimate mimic. It can imitate almost any sound it hears, from other birds to camera shutters and even chainsaws. One lyrebird was recorded mimicking a camera shutter so accurately that it confused a photographer's equipment. The bar-tailed godwit is a true globetrotter, flying non-stop for up to 7,000 miles between New Zealand and Alaska. It's like embarking on a round-trip flight to the moon and back. During migration, this bird can lose up to half its body weight, and it's not unusual for it to fly for over 24 hours without stopping. Owls are the night superheroes with their incredible night vision. They can spot a mouse in total darkness thanks to their specialized eyes that can absorb more light. Owls can turn their heads almost 270 degrees. This flexibility allows them to look in almost any direction without moving their bodies. Some birds see ultraviolet light, which is invisible to humans. This superpower helps them find food, identify mates, and even navigate. A bird's plumage might look plain to us, but can be vibrant and sparkling under UV light. It's like having a secret rainbow. The New Caledonian crow isn't just clever, it's a tool maker. These birds can create and use tools to extract insects from tricky spots. These crows are so smart that their problem-solving skills are comparable to those of great apes. Talk about a feathered Einstein! The wandering albatross has the largest wingspan of any bird, stretching up to 12 feet across. That's wider than a car. These birds can glide over the ocean for hours without flapping their wings, covering vast distances in search of food. Birds are natural weather forecasters. When you see them flying low or gathering in large numbers, they might be predicting a storm. Some ancient cultures relied on bird behavior to predict weather patterns, believing birds were nature's barometers. The Jesus bird, or green heron, can actually walk on water thanks to its specially adapted feet that create surface tension. These birds can also use bait, like insects or leaves, to lure fish closer. Nature's very own fishing technique. Birds like the European starling can learn and mimic human speech. They're multilingual marvels that can pick up phrases and tunes. Some starlings have been recorded mimicking human laughter, making them the comedians of the bird world. The Arctic tern makes the longest migration of any animal, traveling from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back each year, over 70,000 kilometers. Fun fact, this bird experiences 2 summers per year, one in the northern hemisphere and one in the southern, making its life a year-round summer vacation. Some birds, like the black kite, have been observed using fire. They carry burning sticks to start fires and flush out prey. Trivia: these birds are so skilled that they've been known to start fires to drive out insects and small animals, showing incredible adaptability. Birds have a built-in GPS system, using the Earth's magnetic field and the sun to navigate. It's like having an advanced navigation system installed in their brains. Fun fact: migratory birds can travel thousands of miles without getting lost, thanks to their innate sense of direction and environmental cues. The cassowary makes the loudest bird call, which can be heard up to 5 kilometers away. It's like having a personal loudspeaker in the jungle. This booming call is used to communicate with other cassowaries and to establish territory. Owls have almost 360-degree vision, thanks to their unique head structure. They can see in nearly every direction without moving their bodies. This ability helps them spot prey and predators with ease, making them one of nature's most effective hunters. The peacock's feathers are not just beautiful, they're iridescent, meaning they shimmer and change color depending on the angle of the light. The peacock's tail feathers have microscopic structures that reflect light in vibrant colors, creating a dazzling display. Some birds, like the dove, can live without drinking water directly by getting all their moisture from their food. It's like surviving on just juice and fruits. This adaptation allows them to thrive in arid environments where water sources are scarce. The buyer weaver constructs elaborate hanging nests that can be up to 2 feet long. These nests are not just beautiful, they're also waterproof and wind-resistant. The weaving skills of these birds are so intricate that they've inspired engineering designs for human structures. Some birds, like the swallow, can actually sleep while flying. They take brief naps during their long migrations without ever touching down. This ability allows them to cover great distances while still getting the rest they need. Crows and magpies can recognize and remember human faces. If you're nice to a crow, it might remember you forever. Studies have shown that crows can hold grudges and remember people who have wronged them, displaying impressive social intelligence. Pigeons have been shown to understand basic arithmetic, like simple addition and subtraction. They're nature's feathered mathematicians. Research has revealed that pigeons can even learn abstract concepts like same and different, showcasing their cognitive abilities. The hummingbird has the fastest metabolism of any bird, needing to eat almost constantly to keep up its energy. It's like having a tiny, supercharged engine. Hummingbirds can consume up to twice their body weight in a single day to fuel their high-energy lifestyle. Parrots are not just smart, they're playful. They can solve puzzles, play games, and even use toys like we do. Some parrots have been seen using their toys in creative ways, such as playing hide-and-seek with their owners. Birds have some of the most specialized feet in the animal kingdom. From gripping branches to fishing in ponds, each bird's feet are perfectly adapted to its lifestyle. The woodpecker's feet have 2 toes pointing forward and 2 backward, allowing it to cling to tree trunks with incredible grip. Some birds, like the chicken, can change their sex in response to environmental conditions. It's like having the ability to switch roles whenever needed. This ability can be useful for maintaining social balance within a flock or adapting to environmental changes. The bird of paradise performs one of the most elaborate courtship dances, with intricate movements and colorful displays to attract a mate. The male's dance can involve dramatic head bobs, feather displays, and even vocalizations to impress potential mates. The macaw parrot can live for over 80 years, making it one of the longest-lived bird species. These colorful companions can be lifelong friends. Some macaws have been known to outlive their owners, becoming beloved members of the family for decades. Parrots are famous for their ability to mimic human speech. With a little training, they can learn to talk just like us, making them some of the most conversational birds around. Some parrots have a vocabulary of hundreds of words and phrases and can even learn to use them in context, making them impressive communicators. We hope you enjoyed these incredible bird facts as much as we did sharing them. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Knowledge Nitro, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more amazing wildlife adventures. Thanks for watching and see you next time.